Hey, what's up, guys? This is Anan. I'm an executive vice president with MyEcon. So today I want to talk to you guys a bit about the smart credit system. What is the smart credit system? So the smart credit system is it's basically a do-it-yourself credit repair system. So we show you how to get items deleted off your credit. It's more about credit education more than anything else. But with my econ and the smart credit system, there is several modules, step-by-step module, video modules that uh, give you some credit education. We show you how to delete things off your credit profile. So first of all, to get started, let's learn some facts about credit. It says right here that there are 68 million people that have bad credit in the United States. And 1 in 5 people have an error in their credit profile. The credit industry is a $3 billion industry. That is huge. That is amazing. And then 79% of people out there, who dispute errors are successful in getting them removed. So that's actually great news for you, whoever's watching this right now. And I mean, everybody should want good credit because it reduces your borrowing cost. It reduces the interest that's going to be charged to you. And so everyone should want good credit, right? Um, so the credit scores go from anywhere from, let's see here. Um, you Unfortunately, there's some people out there, because of lack of financial education, could have a credit score as low as in the 400s. Okay, so you can actually uh, bottom out at 400 all the way up to 850. Okay, so these are just an average based on age group. Okay, usually people under 20, people who are young, they don't really have no credit established. So the average credit score for someone who is, someone who just graduated high school, might have just started college, 631, or might just start working, 630s, and then between 21 and 34, still in the 630s. Usually between the ages of 35 and 49, you're a little bit have you know more established in life. You might have some. Uh, you probably have a house, a mortgage. So could be between 35, 49, 655. And people who are a little bit older, usually you've paid some of your debts, because you've had a mortgage, you're usually more responsible. So usually could be in the 700s, and the people who are much older could have credit score 730, and this is all average. Okay, and it says here, as a person ages, they will have had time to accumulate wealth. Their income earning potential grows, and they're likely to be wiser and more financially responsible. Okay, so that says it all. As you Usually on average, as you get older, you become more financially responsible. Okay, and then there's scores based on income also. And so usually the less you earn, the worse your credit score is, because you're not earning enough income to be able to pay all the different debt that you're accumulating. Okay? And poor credit is often a result of lack of income. Okay? This is a study that was done by Wallet Hub, that people with annual incomes of 30,000 or less tended to have an average credit score of 590. Okay? Usually below 600 is bad credit. Excellent credit is anywhere from 750 plus. Okay, so one of the best known types of credit scores is the FICO score. And the FICO actually stands for Fair Isaac Company. And so these are used by a lot of different financial institutions. Your credit score can range actually 300 to 850. And so scores above 750 are usually very good, exceptional. 7 to 700, pretty solid. 650 to 700 usually have no problems qualifying for the loan, but the rates are not the best. Um, Applicants with credit score between 600 are considered to be subprime borrowers and pay the highest interest rates. And below 600, you're going to be required to pay a fee or put down the deposit, for example, for a car loan. Yeah. So your whole credit score is based on 5 different factors: your payment history, credit utilization, credit history, new credit, and credit mix. And so it says your payment history counts for 35% of the score, credit utilization for 30, credit history or length of history 15%, new credit accounts for 10%, and the credit mix is 10%. So your credit mix is based on, what type of credit you have. Maybe it's a car loan, maybe it's an installment loan, maybe it's a mortgage, maybe it's revolving credit. And we're going to go into that also. Okay, so why use the smart credit system? So this is what we help you with the smart credit system, right? These letters, okay, are already typed up, and only thing you need to do is actually enter your information. Okay, so it starts with a debt validation letter, and then if what's going to happen is that you're going to send these to the credit bureaus. Okay, so when the credit bureaus send you a letter back letting you know that your debt is actually uh, verified, then you're going to send another letter, which is called a method of verification. Okay, they'll send you another letter letting you know that they actually verified it properly. And then you're going to send this letter, and then the next letter is that. So there's 4 rounds of letters that you actually send. Okay, and it says right here, the FCRA, which is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, states that you have the right to request that credit reporting agencies validate that the debt you're disputing is yours. Okay, and everything is pretty simple. Okay, you can ask them for a proof of verification. Okay, let's remove the debt off your credit report. Okay, so only thing you got to do is just follow it, and it's pretty simple. You just follow it step by step, and eventually you're gonna get those items deleted. And then it tells you actually what to do to build better credit after after you've gotten the items deleted and your credit score has improved. Okay, and these are the new types of credit that you can actually acquire. It tells you about credit mixture, which I mentioned earlier. So there's 2 types of credit. There's revolving debt and some installment debt. And it tells you what type of mixture to have. Okay. So this is what's great. It's 26 do-it-yourself videos. Okay. Do the 4 rounds of dispute letter. We also show you the income shifting strategy. There's a debt elimination software, minimize expense calculator, reestablish credit sources, as well as there's a business opportunity because you can actually sell this to people and actually repair their credit for people. Okay. So the great thing about it is you can actually do this for a one time. You can actually purchase this system for a one-time price. Okay. And A lot of companies out there charge you monthly on a monthly basis, $200, $300, $400 sometimes. Okay? And they're doing the exact same thing that we're doing here, that you can actually do yourself. You can actually repair your own credit. So, yeah. So this is actually a great business to be in. I mean, it solves a pain that has mass appeal because there's a lot of people out there that need their credit repaired, including me. Okay? Because I'm going through this process right now. And within the first few weeks, I got an instant credit boost of 23 points. So I'm very, very excited about that. Very excited to see where my credit can get. 750 and up, 750 plus is the goal for me. So again, I just wanted to go through this smart credit system just to tell you a little bit about the features and benefits. Going to be bringing you more videos just like this. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this with somebody else, and comment at the bottom if you have any questions. All right, this is your boy Anand, and I'll catch you on the next video.